babies, mi amores, mi mamacitas, mi amigas, what's up? So as you can tell already by the title, we're going to be talking about manifestation, gratitude, all that good stuff, how to get whatever you want in life, literally, okay? So let's just cut all this talking and let's get into it. So we're exactly at my peace spot. For you to find a spot to meditate, journal, whatever, find somewhere where you have peace at. Me, I like water, so guess what? We're near water. As you can see, this is so peaceful, guys. So peaceful. Look, I love it. Here we are at my peace spot. Just listen to how peaceful this is. Can you guys hear the water? It's time to take out my handy dandy notebook, like if you know exactly where that came from. When writing affirmations, you want to start off with a title, of course, and then you want to date it so you can always go back to check and see if you've completed an affirmation. Throughout this video, you'll see me put tips and advice in the video about affirmations. I'm done talking and I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. You want to write down your affirmations like as if you already have it. I am plays a big role in affirmation on I feel. That's my advice to you guys. When writing gratitude, you also want to start off with the title, but no date since it's already on the back of the affirmations page. As you continue to watch this video, you'll see me talk more about affirmations, gratitude, and manifestation. Gratitude helps you be grateful for what you think about the things that you actually have in life and be happy about it. Gratitude helps you be positive, so that opens you up to better things, bigger things, happier things. When you're doing gratitude and you're writing down affirmations, you want to meditate on it. So once you're done with affirmations and gratitude, you don't want to just put your journal away and be like, oh, I'm done. That's not how it goes. Think, okay, I have this. I have this. You want to feel it. You want to feel as if you already have it once you're writing it down. So let's do an example. Let's say I'm at peace. When I write that down in my affirmation, I'm going to say that out loud. I am at peace. And so now what I have to do is I have to feel like I'm at peace. I have to, what do you do to feel at peace? Take deep breaths. You clear your mind. You relax. Oh, it all happens, guys. It's so easy. Manifestation is so easy. Yeah, what you want is so easy. I promise. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm in a new section. I decided to come out in nature, but if you guys enjoy videos like this, leave me a comment and let me know. I want to know where your peace spots are at, know what your journal looks like. What do you journal in your journal? Use the hashtag JazzTheBeauty. It's going to be right here. Use that hashtag